In this video, I will show you how to clean a crystal membrane on an ion-selective electrode. This is then necessary when you see deposits on the membrane or the response during a measurement or a titration becomes sluggish. Let's see how this goes. With each ISE, a polishing set is shipped. It contains a vial with aluminum oxide powder and a cloth. The cloth has an adhering side and can be sticked, for example, into a petri dish. Add some powder onto the cloth and wet it with deionized water. Then rub the crystal membrane surface on the wet cloth by applying gentle force. Your movement should follow an 8. This has to be done for at least 1 minute. Rinse the sensor well with deionized water, check the crystal membrane, and if necessary, repeat the procedure by adding new powder onto the cloth. If the sensor surface is clean again, it can be reused for your application.